Looking to give your kitchen a makeover without a full remodel? Ever heard of cabinet refacing? Well, it's an affordable and efficient way to transform your kitchen without needing a complete overhaul. Picture this. Your old cabinet doors and drawer fronts are replaced, but the cabinet boxes stay right where they are. Neat, right? And the best part is, it's like getting a fresh new kitchen while keeping the existing layout intact. So, if you're in the California Bay Area and are considering a kitchen update, cabinet refacing might just be your best bet. You might be wondering, how exactly does cabinet refacing work? Well, let's dive into the process. First things first, the old doors and drawer fronts are carefully removed. This step is crucial because we want to preserve the original cabinet boxes. Remember, refacing is all about giving your kitchen a fresh look while keeping the existing layout intact. Now, once the old doors and drawer fronts are out of the way, the next step is all about preparation. The surfaces of the cabinet boxes are meticulously cleaned and lightly sanded. This ensures that the new veneer will adhere properly, providing a smooth and durable finish. Once the cabinet boxes are prepared and ready, it's time to bring in the new veneer. This veneer is applied to the exterior of the cabinet boxes, giving them a brand new look without changing their structure. The veneer comes in a variety of colors and finishes, so you can choose the one that best suits your desired style and design. Finally, the moment of transformation arrives. The new doors and drawer fronts are installed, replacing the old ones, but that's not all. New hardware like handles and knobs is also added. This is the finishing touch that really brings the whole look together. And there you have it, a fresh new look for your kitchen, without the hassle and cost of a full remodel. Now let's delve into why cabinet refacing is such a great option. Firstly, cabinet refacing is a cost-effective solution, especially when compared to a full kitchen remodel. It breathes new life into your existing cabinets without breaking the bank. You're essentially recycling your old cabinets and giving them a fresh new look, which is not only good for your wallet but also for the environment. Secondly, cabinet refacing allows you to change the design and style of your kitchen while maintaining the existing layout. This means you can adapt to new trends or simply refresh your kitchen style without the need for extensive construction or renovation. Another key benefit of cabinet refacing is the potential for improved storage and organization. By refacing your cabinets, you can take the opportunity to reconfigure the interiors to better suit your needs. This could mean adding pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, or other organizational features that make your kitchen more functional. Lastly, cabinet refacing can increase the value of your home. A sleek, modern kitchen is a strong selling point and could potentially increase your home's resale value. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly, efficient, and stylish kitchen makeover, remember, cabinet refacing could be your secret weapon.